What is digital marketing and how does it work? Today, almost every business is present in the online environment. When you see ads, posts, videos, sales pages, messages, and websites that appear on Google, all of that is part of digital marketing. It is essential because people research, compare, learn, and buy online. Whoever uses this strategically has an advantage. What digital marketing is in simple words. Digital marketing is the set of actions to attract people, build relationships, and sell products or services using online channels. Instead of depending only on flyers, phone calls, or physical storefronts, you talk to the right audience through social media, ads, content, sales pages, and digital messages. The idea is to reach those who truly have interest and guide them to purchase in a natural and smooth way. How to attract people in the online environment. The first step is to make the right people find you. This can happen through social media, videos, blogs, Google searches, referrals, or paid ads. Each strategy brings traffic, which is the movement of people arriving at your content, page, or offer. The more qualified the traffic is, the higher the chance of sales. Why content is important. Content is what you publish to teach, entertain, inspire, or help someone with a problem. It can be a post, a video, a tutorial, a comparison, or even a story. When content is useful to a specific audience, it builds trust and makes the person come back, comment, share, and remember you. Before selling, it is important to deliver value and show that you understand the topic. What ads are in the digital world? You cannot always depend only on organic reach. Paid ads speed up the process because they allow you to show your message to many people in a short time. You can segment by city, interest, age, and other filters. This increases the chance of the ad appearing to those who can actually buy. How the path to purchase works. Digital marketing is not just taking someone to a page and waiting for them to buy. There is a journey, also called a funnel. First, the person discovers you, then they follow you, create interest, compare, and only then decide to buy. Some products need more time and information. Others sell faster. This depends on price and the problem they solve. How the relationship with the audience happens. After someone shows interest, you can keep communicating through social media, messages, WhatsApp, email, or communities. This relationship helps answer questions, show benefits, explain how the solution works, and build trust before the sale. When the person feels secure, the decision becomes much more natural. How to measure results. One advantage of digital marketing is that everything can be measured: clicks, reach, engagement, messages, website visits, and sales. This allows you to adjust campaigns, improve communication, and understand audience behavior before investing more money. Those who analyze results decide much more clearly than those who act only by trial. Summary for you to remember. Digital marketing is the union of content, relationships, and online promotion to attract people, build trust, and sell predictably. You use digital channels to speak with those who truly need your solution and follow every step clearly. Now tell me, which part of digital marketing would you like to dive deeper into?